Good day, teacher and classmate. This is the second video of the activity English. Okay. Question number 1. I like the 5-room apartment more. Question number 2. Because this neighborhood is quiet. Question number 3. Because ground floors are easier to clean. Question number 4. I want a patio with a pool. Question number 5. No, because I don't know how money to pay for more expensive apartment. Okay, situation number 1. A few years ago, I decided to start my psychology career despite the difficulties, and I continue with my dream with closer. Some time ago, dedicate myself to teach aerobics, but due to the health problems, I could not continue with that work. Situation number 2. My friend Diana some time ago decided to start a small company online, and so far she is still with her company and doing very well. Diana was told by doctor that she have this disease that was serious, but thanks to God trained, she is now in good health. Situation number 3. Some time ago, my classmate decided to form a seat of research at the university, and so far they continue with the seminar, and they are doing very well. When my colleague start the research breeding group, they were very feel good. Over time, they are now an increasingly large group. Okay, thank you. Good day to you. Bye bye.